Hey outdoor enthusiasts, today we're going to take you on a trip through McCall, Idaho and look at the best places to go paddleboarding. We're going to take you on a picturesque journey of Little Payette, Upper Payette, and even the Payette River. First up is the Little Payette. This is perfect for beginners. You'll have crystal clear, calm water, and it's really easy to get around and paddleboard. It's surrounded by beautiful mountain views. It has a lot of parking up here, and then you'll also have a boat dock, so it's easy to get your paddleboard in and out of the water. And don't be surprised if you see some boats out. This is also a popular fishing spot, and so you might see some anglers reeling in their catch of the day. So now we're out here on the Payette River, and it would be another place for maybe a more advanced paddleboarder. You could put in here and then get picked up at Smiley Lane. There's another parking area up there. This is located right across from the Smoke Jumpers base in downtown McCall, Idaho. And currently still in the preliminary stages, this is going to be the future rec center area of McCall. They are working on building out an area with an additional playground, putting in some ramps, and having a large pavement area. So if you wanted to roller ski in the summer or something like that, this could be the future place that you come to do that sort of activity. So now we're up here at North Beach. This area is located a little bit north of McCall. The benefit of paddleboarding from North Beach is that usually there's a rental service here. So if you don't have your own paddleboard, you might want to come to North Beach and start paddleboarding here. You can rent a paddleboard, put it right in, and then check out all these streams up the North Fork of the Payette River. So we're out here at Upper Payette Lake. This lake is located off Warren Wagon Road, north of McCall, Idaho. And it's another popular lake to go paddleboarding. They do have boat ramps available to put your paddleboard in. This is another lake, surprisingly enough, with crystal clear water surrounded by mountain views. So let's go check out Upper Payette Lake. So there you have it. McCall has amazing locations to paddleboard for all different skill levels. And if you've liked this video, then you're going to want to check out the video about the beaches in McCall.